bunch of extra boxes, so we made a robot out of it, and we had to use length times width times height, and so we did base and height on it, we measured it, and we did volume on it, and we made it look like a running person. We had to find measurements on a piece of paper first, because it was kind of like a draft, and sketch it out, and then with the whole class, each group got like a box or a few boxes, because some of them were small, and they had to measure the length times width times height on it.
Awesome. Now, want to go inside?
Yeah.
Turns out I can't pause in the video, so we're just like still going right now. Okay.
Okay, Elisha, what 4 do you want to do? I'll do 4. Well, yeah. Okay, you do this one, this one, this one, and this one, and I'll do this one, this one.
As a reminder, the video is still recording.
Yes, I'll just do no, not this one.
Take it away.
So the head, we.
And you could just talk about how we did our measurements as individuals, and then we like transferred them up here if you wanted to.
The head we did. So we did length, width, and height on it, and we measured it, and we times it all up, and we got 50,180, and then.
And I'm okay because that was kind of like that was the second biggest one that we got. So Scarlett, you want to talk about the biggest one that we got, just so that people.
Yeah. Okay. So for the trunk, which was kind of like the middle part, and we got 56,364, and we had to do the length times width times height, and we had to times all that together to get 56,364 for our answer.
Awesome. And then today, we did what?
We added all those together.
Okay. And do you remember what our total was?
100,035.
Yes. Cubic.
Meters. Yeah. No, inches.
What are the units of there?
Centimeters.
Centimeters. Okay. So 100,035 cubic centimeters. Awesome. Thanks, guys.